This is a story about Akbar, a great Mughal empire. During his rule, Hindus and Muslims lived in perfect harmony. He had very intelligent people around him. One of them was his minister Birbal. Akbar was extremely fond of him and enjoyed his company. As he was a clever and humorous man. One day, Akbar called Birbal to his court and said, "Go around Agra and make a list of all the fools living in city. I want to educate them and make them more useful." Birbal went out looking for fools and making a list of their names. In the meanwhile, a merchant from Arabia arrived at the palace with a very fine horse. Akbar, who was very fond of horses and had quite a few of them in his stable, wanted to buy it immediately. Now the merchant knew the emperor's love for horses, so he tempted him with promises to bring back more. He said to the emperor, "My lord, I can bring you lots of horses from my country if I have the money to transport them to Agra from Arabia." Akbar gave him 1,000 gold coins as an advance, and the merchant went away happily, promising the emperor to return soon. After a few days, Birbal came to the palace. Akbar told him excitedly about the Arab merchant and his horses. "I gave him only 1,000 gold coins as an advance." Birbal was horrified when he heard this. He said, "How could you be so trusting? You gave so much money to a stranger whom you would never see again." Akbar calmly replied, "My dear Birbal, you worry too much. Do you take me for a fool? I understand people when I see them." He then asked to see the list. Birbal said, "My lord, I will have to add one more name to my list of fools. I will bring it to you tomorrow." Next morning, when Akbar was shown the list, he saw his name on top. The emperor was furious and demanded an explanation immediately. Birbal explained, Your Highness, you have give 1,000 gold coins to a stranger. You don't know where he lives and if he would come back again. Isn't this an act of foolishness? Am I wrong in putting your name first on my list? Akbar thought for a few minutes, realized his foolishness, and burst out laughing.